In Juba today, the special court in the Nasir case wrapped up its 27th session, and while it was technical, a few key details did stand out. On the stand again was a member of the Military Investigation Committee. He told the judges that it was the committee, not the peace monitoring bodies, that decided how forces moved around Nasir. Groups like RJMEC and CTSA-MVM, he said, might be informed for paperwork and logistics, but they were not giving orders on the ground. When defense lawyers pushed him, he admitted he couldn't recall if CTSA-MVM was ever formally notified about those troop movements, saying that kind of communication wasn't really part of the committee's job. He also gave a bit more color on the run-up to the attack. Before the garrison fell, he described what he called, quote, minor clashes between government troops and the Nuer White Army led by opposition commanders, and said those incidents were reported to the local head of security, not to CTSA-MVM. The court also heard more about one of the accused politicians. According to the investigator, this third defendant spread, quote, negative propaganda and helped mobilize young people, but he stopped short of saying the man directly called on people to take up arms. On the deadly river operation that cost senior officers their lives, the witness said the White Army and opposition forces attacked the military boats because they were impatient with slow administrative solutions. He flatly rejected the defense's argument that low water levels were to blame for the failed mission. He went on to say Lieutenant General Gabriel Duap-Lam failed to pass on intelligence about planned sabotage and clarified that a video entered into evidence doesn't show Nasir itself. It shows the mobilization of 4 Nuer groups. On the most sensitive points, he repeated that 2 of the accused are alleged to have led the Nasir attack and been complicit in the burning of the South Sudanese and police flags after the garrison fell. He added that 8 opposition members carried General David Major on a stretcher and handed him over to those who killed him, and admitted the committee never investigated the deaths of 7 of those 8 men, while still holding opposition forces responsible. The court adjourned to Friday, December 5th, when the same witness is expected back for more cross-examination. If you enjoyed this video, don't stop here, because we've got a whole playlist packed with context and updates just like this one. So click into the playlist, let it run while you work, cook, clean, or commute, and really get caught up. And make sure that you're following the Jazari Kual show so that you don't miss the next breakdown. Hit follow, tap subscribe, and stay plugged in.